All right. Welcome. Thank you guys for coming today. Welcome to an amazing new camera store. Kind of new, but like new in the building, right? I mean, I've been shopping at Action Camera almost that whole, maybe like 32 years, I think, since, yeah, for a long time. So we're pretty lucky that we have this in our community. I went over to Dale when he was, when he was doing it at Action Camera, and he was like amazingly nice and made me feel welcome. And I think that's one of the reasons that like helped flourish a lot of my stuff early on. Because it's like there was a place I could go to ask questions, I could look at stuff, I could pick up a camera and like dream about owning that one day. Charlie took over, and now we're all standing here now. If you don't know Charlie, Charlie is the mastermind behind the store. Thank you, Charlie. And I wanted to obviously say a big thank you because this took a lot of sleepless nights,
yes,
and a lot of stress for this guy to pull this building off. And I've listened to the process for a long time now. And so, number one, thank you for supporting the community in Sacramento and all of us. And number two, to you guys, do anything you can to spend as much money as you can with him anytime you can. I can tell you many stories of how he has saved me and how he has helped me. That, like, I couldn't have done a lot of the things I did without that gentleman. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.